Have you ever tried to start a barbecue and you just can't get it going? You're trying everything, you're lighting matches, you're trying firelighters, but nothing that you're doing is working right now. And in the end, your barbecue's ruined, your friends leave, and you're left alone drinking whiskey in the dark. Well, that's basically like 91% of websites according to Ahrefs. Now, if you're in that bottom 91% of websites that get zero traffic, I know it hurts, spending all your time and energy to get no results from Google and just get tumbleweeds. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how to rank higher on Google, how to get more free SEO traffic, and how to boost your results so that you can grow your website's revenue faster. By the way, I'm Julian Goldie, and if it's your first time here, I'm here to help you get better results with SEO and rank your website #1. So let's get into it. This is why most websites get zero search traffic. The site is too slow to load. When it comes to SEO, it's not just about ranking on Google. You need to make sure your page stays ranked. One thing that can sabotage this is your page bounce rate. A bounce is when a person shows up and leaves without doing anything. If people are constantly turning up to your site and jumping around the place like a madman without engaging on it, then Google gets a message that your site isn't giving people what they're searching for. If people are actively engaging with your page, or better still a few pages, Google might think, wow, the people who search for this thing are loving this site. I think I'm going to rank it. Remember, Google knows. Google always knows. So we don't like a high bounce rate. This isn't Wimbledon. And a page that's slower than dial-up internet can drive that bounce rate up and up and up. 40% of people abandon a page if it doesn't load in 3 seconds, and they probably won't come back. There's just too much competition out there. If your site is about as fast as a herd of stampeding turtles, it's pretty easy to fix. You can use Google Page Speed Insights to check the ranking of your page speed. It also gives you a few suggestions on how to fix it. Also, 2 plugins you can install on your website are NitroPack and WP Rocket. Also, it's been scientifically proven that 92% of people who click the like button rank on Google. And no, I don't have a reference to that study because I lost it. Bad link building. Make no mistake about it. The sites on Google with the most search traffic are the ones with the most backlinks. But most websites just make content, post, and pray that people are going to magically find it. Well, think about this. 7.5 million blog posts are published every single day. Your post, as good as it may be, is like a drop in the ocean. For a site to consistently get seen by people, it helps to have a strong backlink profile. But it makes sense why so many websites don't do this well. 65% of marketers say link building is one of the hardest things. So if you need help with that, get in touch with me directly and my A team will take care of it. Or just subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can learn how to do this yourself. I've got a great video that I'm going to link to at the end of this video that helps you do exactly that. Not targeting effective keywords. Another reason why most websites don't get any traffic is because they aren't targeting the right keywords or creating content that an existing audience actually cares about. And when I say the right keywords, what I actually mean is keywords that don't have too much competition and that people are actually searching for. One of my favorite methods for finding keywords is actually really simple. Just ask yourself, what are your customers asking on Google? Then type those questions into Google yourself, look at other popular questions out there, and hey presto, you're off to the bloody races. Inconsistent publishing. Now, the one thing that most people struggle with is consistency, especially after the novelty of publishing has worn off and you've got to keep grinding away. If it was easy, everyone would do it, but most people give up. But the thing about consistency is that it just works. Bloggers who publish 2 to 6 times per week are 50% more likely to get strong results compared to those that don't. And most websites aren't publishing regularly, and as a result of that, they don't rank highly enough in search to make a difference. If you want to get the fire going and generate some consistent search traffic, you need to publish high quality content at least every week. Even more if you can. Now, you could create the best content in the world on a website with the sexiest design, but if nobody sees it, you've wasted your time. Wait, did that rhyme? You could create the best content with the sexiest design, but if nobody sees it, then you're wasting your time. Okay, I don't think that was too bad, to be honest. Anyway, if you want to get serious, consistent traffic to your website, you need to learn how to grow your SEO traffic using backlinks. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you really need it. So watch this video next to learn the exact process we use to grow our website traffic from 195% in just 1 month using backlinks. You can have the world's sexiest design, but if you don't rank on Google, you're wasting your time. Wait, did that rhyme?